Enable end screen. Why does it happen on our upload YouTube video? I mean, when you click end screen box, it pop up like this. Your video has an unsupported aspect ratio. Let's watch a bit of video clip. If how does it happen? Hello, Ka-Dood Dong and Ka-Dood Dai. I just wanted to share with you my latest experience about YouTube upload video. I've noticed on my upload video lately, I can't put on an end screen, enable end screen. Why does it happen on our YouTube upload video? I mean, when you click end screen box, it pop up like this. Your video has an unsupported aspect ratio. Now I will share it with you. End screen problem or unsupported aspect ratio. Why does it happen? On my content editing, I simply forgot to set my video into 16:9 ratio or landscape. 16:9 ratio or landscape is recommended for upload video on YouTube for us to put an end screen. How to fix enable end screen. 1. If upload video has no views or 0 views, delete it. 2. Re-edit your video. 3. Upload again. If your video has viewed, it's up to you if you delete it or embrace the value of your viewers. Audience for me is more valuable. Thank you for watching. I hope it did help you a lot. Please feel free to subscribe, like and share to help others.